Well, this is in essence an argument between a concerned mother and medical experts. It was in October last year that a brain scan revealed that 7-year-old Neon Roberts from Devon had a tumour in his brain. An operation was carried out almost immediately. It was a success. The tumour was removed. But then doctors said it was vitally important that the child should undergo a course of radiotherapy to continue and help him to convalesce. However, his mother, Sally, wasn't convinced. She was worried that radiotherapy could cause him, for example, to suffer a reduction in IQ and could damage him later in life by potentially shortening his lifespan or even making him infertile. She then basically decided that she wouldn't give her consent for him to have this radiotherapy. She said she wanted doctors to give him chemotherapy but not radiotherapy, which is what she was worried about. The medics then went to court and got a ruling saying that he should have the treatment. At that point last week, Mrs. Roberts disappeared with her son. They went into hiding. They were eventually tracked down after the court lifted restrictions on naming the child, and that's what brought us to this case here at court today.
And what happened today then, Ben?
Well, in court we had expected to have a ruling from the judge either saying that yes, Neon should be given radiotherapy even against his mother's wishes, or no, that shouldn't happen. However, what the judge said in court was that events overnight, and he didn't specify what these events were, but events overnight had, in his words, changed the medical landscape. Nature, he continued, was no respecter of court timings, but he said this all made it irrelevant whether he made a ruling today. In fact, it bought everyone a bit more time. He said he hoped that the parties could reach some kind of agreement, but in the meantime he was adjourning things for 10 days. Afterwards, Sally Roberts admitted there wasn't that much that she could say, but that she was relieved.
Thank you for all your interest in the case and all support. There's nothing else I want to say from what the judge has already said, and I'll speak early about it next week.
How is Neon getting on?
No more comment, thank you. He's good. He's very good in himself, and yes, we'll speak early next week.
Are you disappointed not to get into today?
No, I think next week would be much better. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you very much for...
Well, in court the judge said he did hope that the parties could reach some kind of agreement. If they can't, they'll all be back here in 10 days.